You're going to take her now. Hostile, ma'am. Don't be hostile, honey. Okay. Relax, okay? Try to relax.
Okay. Does she have a drinking problem?
No.
She's going to have to go with us.
I will go. Can I go?
You can drive behind us, but you can't drive in the car with her.
Yeah. But it doesn't take much if you get off the road. So it should be. Hold it, honey.
Ma'am, answer his questions, okay?
Yeah.
And they'll open the door.
Is this really an arrest?
Yeah, this is an arrest.
Are you okay?
He's okay. He's doing
I'm
fine.
looking for your license.
No,
He's
we
doing
don't
fine.
need him to do anything.
Karen, hold it. I'm looking for your license. Anything that we could do to? Is there different levels of it?
No, we're not separated.
Yeah,
this is my husband.
Watch out, there's some barf on it there.
Great.
Yes, it's Geico.
You just touched me with that thing.
What do you need to know, sir?
Let me answer his questions. And
I am the person that was driving.
Okay, you were the...
All right.
Okay.
They drove me off the road, though.
Who drove you? Us. The people, somebody?
Yes.
Where are you driving from?
Why are you interviewing me?
Because you were in an accident and you appear to be impaired.
Well, I'm not. No, I appear, but I'm not.
That's right. That's why I'm asking questions.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, no, ma'am. You're not free to leave.
Honey.
You are not free to leave.
You can't go until we answer some questions.
You answer the question.
I'll answer.
Don't touch me.
All right, don't go anywhere then.
Don't touch me.
Karen, please.
Don't touch me.
Where's she coming from?
Okay. She was visiting a friend. I guess was it to even call,
There's a lot more body-worn camera video that you're about to watch in the saga of Real Housewives of Potomac star Karen Huger, which has never been seen before. I paid police for this extra video footage, and you can see that Karen is in rare form on March 20th, 2024 after crashing her Maserati and blaming it on another car allegedly running her off the road. Her poor, beleaguered husband Ray tries to come to her defense.
What's up?
Your household. Reality TV.
Okay.
she is. Okay, so we just have
Whatever fee that she has. What happened? A deer jumped out in front of you?
I haven't spoken to her yet. Apparently she's quite the prize.
Even toting her puke-filled Gucci purse around and accidentally touching the officer with the designer bag. Perhaps it was the semaglutide mixed with alcohol that made her sick. Ray explains that Karen was coming from a friend's house.
Let me grab some Gucci just so I'll offer her SVSTs, but I have a feeling what she's going to say.
Okay.
Apparently she's denying, so she'll go to the hospital. So.
All right.
Just watch your step right here, okay?
Hey, do we have a license?
We got one more step right here.
Yeah.
Just watch your step right here. One more.
Okay. Ma'am, how are you? Just so you're aware, we all wear cameras to record audio and video, okay?
I don't
Okay. I need to see her driver's license.
Okay.
know.
Karen.
Okay.
Hold on.
Hey, sir,
No,
sir,
hold
she's not free to leave.
I understand.
Okay.
I understand.
No, I am. No, Ray, I am.
Put your
I
bag.
am, Ray.
You get your bag here.
I'm you.
Hold it. Hold it, honey. Hold it.
I didn't do this. And no.
Okay.
Just watch out, there's some barf on it there.
Ray,
There's some throw up on it there.
remember?
I think
You remember how to
Okay, ma'am, can you get your driver's license for us, please?
No, you cannot.
Okay,
You ready?
Karen.
Okay. Let me ask you a
She's
question.
not free to leave.
I understand this.
And
Okay, so
what do
you're
you
saying
need to know? What do you need
Hold
to
on,
know, sir?
Let me answer his questions. And
No,
then
I am the person that was driving.
Okay, you were the
I
person
know
that was
how-
driving. I understand that, but I need your driver's license. Can you get me your driver's license, please?
No.
Okay, why?
No, because I can't find it.
What?
This
Is
is
it?
my dog.
I'll look for it.
Okay.
No,
Right,
but-
ma'am, can you stop?
Karen.
Can you stop?
You
for
were
me,
in an
please?
accident, baby. There's no way to get around that.
Okay.
They drove me off the road there.
Who drove you? The people, somebody?
Yes.
Oh,
And
okay.
that was not my
Where,
fault.
ma'am, where are you coming from? Let's start with that.
Where's your point?
Where are you driving from?
Why are you interviewing me?
Because you were in an accident and you appear to be impaired.
Well, I'm not. No, I appear, but
Okay,
I'm not.
that's right. That's
Are
why
you
I'm.
ready,
That's why I'm
honey?
asking
You
questions.
ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, no, ma'am,
I
you're
wouldn't
not
touch
free to
me.
leave.
honey,
You are not free to leave.
you can't go until we answer some
You
questions.
answer the question.
I'll answer the questions.
You
Okay, then you stay
Okay,
right there then.
but you-
Okay, for me.
Don't
okay?
touch me.
All right, don't
Okay.
go anywhere then.
Don't touch me.
Karen, please.
Don't touch me.
I'm not touching you.
Listen.
You good?
I'm good.
You have it?
I'm good, but you.
The answer?
I will help you answer the questions. Okay.
Where is she coming from?
Okay. She was visiting a friend. I guess was it David called,
I'll let you say. She's
Yeah.
with husband.
I don't know.
She understands that she's not free to leave. All right,
But
you can take over.
you have to go through this.
You want to take over?
Sir, can she talk to this officer while I talk to you?
You wanna take
Is that
over?
okay?
No,
I don't-
we're not separated.
Yeah,
This is my husband.
Okay. Can you get her driver's license for me, please?
Yes,
It's
you
in her
can.
wallet.
Okay, I got it, baby.
Yes,
Okay,
you
watch
can.
out. There's barf
Where
on
is
it.
your
I'm
phone?
also back, sir, again, okay?
I'm
Okay, that's
carrying
okay.
you.
You just
Okay.
I would rather.
I don't like it.
Okay, I'd rather
It's
her
okay.
not do a lot of talking at this point,
Would you
anyhow,
like to do
because
that?
she's probably a little bit upset
Well,
after
sure,
the
sure.
thing, so
Okay.
she's
Can I ask you where you're coming from
herself.
tonight?
She said she was coming from a friend's house.
Okay. Which way were you driving on Oakland?
Where you have it?
You had
Were you coming from Bradley?
You have it?
I'll take a look.
Yes.
You're coming from Bradley?
Or wait. Where you see it? Yes. Thank you.
You were driving on Bradley or from Bradley? Do you remember the accident?
Yes.
What happened?
Actually, nothing really. They can hear me?
Yeah, just somebody ran you off the road.
They did.
Someone ran you off the road, okay.
Yes.
Remember the vehicle at all? No, you don't. Okay.
Oh, wait. Listen.
I understand it. It's dark out here. Yeah.
Are you okay? Not too hard.
He's okay. He's
I'm
doing
looking
fine.
for your license,
No,
baby.
we
Hold
don't
it.
need him to do anything.
Karen, hold it. I'm looking for your license, baby.
How much are you drinking?
I'll give you my license if you want. I'm looking to see if your license is in here. It should be. Hold it, honey.
Ma'am, answer his questions, okay?
Yeah. Huh? Yeah, what you saying, though?
You have it? You have mine.
Make sure he doesn't have it already.
I think Bull's does.
Does somebody have the license?
I think so.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah, I think Bull's one of my...
All right, I'll check.
You answered everything.
Thanks, sir. Let me see what you have. Come over here. Okay, is that the woman that you saw right there? Yeah. In the car? Okay, can you write that the officer the person that the officer spoke to was the driver of the car? Or, something to that effect. But put it in your own words, though.
Yeah, I did this for 30 years.
Oh, okay.
A little bit out of practice.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna leave my flashlight right here. All right. I got a room back here. I'll be right back. You have a license? You have a license? Okay. Can I see it?
Yeah.
We're over there trying to get it from her.
I'm sorry.
That's a sucking nut. right, sir. Do you have an ID or something like that? Or can you just give me your information?
Yeah, you know, I just grabbed all my stuff. I work right here. I put it in my truck.
Okay.
And then heard smash came out of here. I got everything in the car.
I just need your name.
What's that?
I just need your name.
Yeah. Oh, I just gave it to somebody. Ed, E.D.
Okay.
Caldwell, Caldwell.
And where can I send this? Is that, and they get mail there?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll figure out. What's your cell phone number? Okay.
Yeah, don't put that on the stand. I give you
No.
I'll give you my work number.
No. That'll just go for us. Okay? All right. Thank you. Appreciate your help. Sir, I can answer your questions. Come over here with me. She's got to go with him.
Huh?
She's going to have to go with us.
I will go. Can I go?
You can drive behind us, but you can't drive in the car with her.
Okay.
Okay, but if you come over here, I will answer the questions that you have.
Okay. So, I'm just saying. No. Don't say it. I'm saying. No. Okay. Have a good night. Come on. You're going to take her now. Hostile,
Ma'am.
Don't be hostile. Don't be hostile, honey. Okay. Relax, okay? Try to relax.
You just touched me with that thing.
I
know you didn't do it on purpose. Would you like some gloves?
Yes. Actually, I have some gloves.
So let me explain to you. Just a reminder, you're on camera, okay?
Okay.
She's been arrested for driving under the influence, all right? She's going to be brought to the Montgomery County Bethesda Police Station. She'll be advised of her rights, and we're going to ask her to submit to a breath test, okay? She's not required to. If she chooses not to, that's fine. It just means her license will be suspended for a longer period of time, okay? She's going to get some traffic tickets related to driving under the influence and also the wreck, and then she's going to be released. Okay, you can come to the station and sit in the lobby and wait for her. Processing for this type of arrest usually takes anywhere from an hour to an hour and a half. Okay. Okay. Do you have any other questions? We're going to write an accident report associated with the vehicle because obviously it's going to have to be, it's probably going to be totaled, but regardless, it's going to have to be covered by your insurance company. It's going to be towed by us, and we're going to give you an accident report number, so your insurance company, because that's the first thing your insurance company is going to say, is, did the police write a report? And you're going to say yes, and they're going to say, do you have the report number? And you're going to give it. Okay?
All right.
Do you have any other questions? But she will be released tonight. It's not a criminal charge, it's just a traffic charge.
Okay.
She's going to go to the Bethesda station, not the jail, and she'll be released from there.
You said I can follow you to
You
the
can
Bethesda
follow us
station?
to the station. You can't come into the processing room with us. You'll have to sit in the lobby, but you
Okay.
can do that. Okay?
Okay.
Do you know where the Bethesda station is?
No.
Okay.
What's the address of it?
It's 40. That's what I was going to say. You want to get your phone and type it in? I can walk over
Tell
here.
me what it is. I can see
Oh,
if it rings a
how
bell.
about if I write it down for you?
Okay.
It's 4823 Rugby Avenue
I don't know.
in the Central Business District.
Oh, downtown?
Yeah, downtown. Okay. Well, I'll write it down for you if you'd like. Does she have a drinking problem?
No.
Okay. So she's pretty intoxicated, as you can tell.
I'm surprised because, if she goes out with friends or whatever and have a couple of beers, you normally would take an Uber home or stay, with the friends. Or sometimes the girls stay at a hotel or something.
Okay.
But that's occasional. I'm shocked. I'm really, that's...
Yeah.
But it doesn't take much if you get off the road, so...
Why don't you go sideways? Okay, so I just want to make sure you can read my writing. 4823 Rugby Avenue, Bethesda, Maryland, 20814.
Okay.
That's the phone number for the station in case you get lost and need some
Could you give me your name down at the bottom?
Sure. There you go.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
All right.
And there's a lobby there. The door will be locked, but there's a camera and like a doorbell. If you ring that, a receptionist will say, can I help you? And just say, my wife's been arrested. I'm just going to sit here and wait for her. And they'll open the door.
Is this really an arrest?
Yeah, this is an arrest. This is driving under the influence is an arrestable offense. It's an offense for which we arrest you. Okay, it's not a criminal arrest, but it is an arrest, yes. Okay?
Anything that we could do to? Is there different levels of it that make sense?
No, there's just one level. She's hammered. She's obliterated. So, there's not much. I mean, field sobriety. We'd like to do field sobriety, but it's really not necessary when somebody just can't stand and they can't talk.
She was standing and she was talking.
Hardly.
I thought so.
Most jury members would not.
Okay. Yeah, she wasn't falling down.
Yeah, she was basically falling down.
Excuse me, sir. Do you know what the insurance of the vehicle would be?
Yes, it's Geico.
Do you have the policy number on hand for you, or is it on our phone?
I have it.
Can I get that for? I got to do a report because the pole was hit from Southern County. Okay. Let's say whenever here.
His car is over there. Is it in your car, sir?
Yeah.
Why don't you
if
go
you
get
have it? If you have it on your phone or your car, I just need to copy that. I got it.
It's
getting worse and worse.
I'm sorry?
Oh, you gave her the phone?
Does she have two?
No,
only one.
She has one.
If she had a phone, we gave it to her. Fire rescue gave it to her.
All right. Did he transport? All right. Anything recorded?
He mentions the name David as someone Karen called. Could that be David Harrison? Either way, Ray insists that Karen doesn't have a drinking problem and yells for her to not be hostile and relax before she is transported to jail that night. Stay tuned and subscribe. I'll probably buy more BODYCAM videos. Karen's next sentencing hearing has been pushed to February 26th, 2025 at 9:30 a.m. How much time do you think the Grand Dame will receive?